This morning, as usual, the 9X Vietnamese girl was helping the head baker sift flour for the first batch of pastries. She leaned forward gently, watching the fine powder fall like snow, quietly thinking, "I've never done this kind of work back home." Suddenly, she sneezed, a loud, unexpected burst that sent flour flying across the counter and all over her face. The baker turned around, laughing, trying to become Santa Claus, huh? She smiled awkwardly, cheeks flushed, and quickly grabbed a towel to clean up. As she wiped the mess and took a quiet breath, she felt something strange, a mix of embarrassment and joy. It was just a small, messy moment, but it made her feel like she was slowly sinking with life here, surrounded by kind coworkers and new friends every day.